Hello lovely viewers, there is another blog. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make falafel in a falafel stool. So this is the falafel stool. It's for been here for a long time. It's called Lowe Masha market. So bear with me, I'm gonna show you guys how to make falafel.
Yeah? Cheese? I love cheese and bread. That's the one. The one.
Yeah. And then all this, yeah. Wait. Do you chicken?
No,
falafel. I told you it's falafel. You have to get chicken. No,
Full vegetarian.
Go on. Mess that up, haven't I? That's okay.
You want a tabbouleh?
Yeah, loads of that. Loads of that. I can have some of this still.
Yeah, sure.
Can I have some more of that?
More?
Sorry. Yeah, sorry, I thought I messed up here.
It's alright.
Okay. What's this?
Sesame sauce tahina.
Oh yeah, go on.
Tahini sauce.
Huh?
Look at this guys, how you gonna make. Look how fast he's making. Amazing stuff.
No, thank you.
They are expert people in making falafel.
Only vegan.
What's this for?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you wanna open this?
One salad, yeah?
It's amazing. Yeah, God.
Large one, huh?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. See you. Yes, brother, is ready. Thank you.
Look at this falafel. It's nearly ready. You guys wanna see the inside? Look at this inside. Fresh falafel, how it looks. Wow, that's amazing, brother. Thank you. That one is a hummus.
Hummus, chickpeas.
Yeah, chickpeas hummus. Look, this is how it comes. So it comes in a container, and they have a hand gel as well here. So sanitize your hand first, alcohol gel. This is the chili sauce. Look at the chili sauce.
This one halloumi.
Halloumi cheese in here, and they have some hash brown and chips and the fried aubergine, I think. Yeah, fried aubergine, and all this salad here. Look at this salad.
I'm not about this at all, but I'll risk it. Feel
Box
like
now.
I've never
Let's see how it's
felt
made.
before. Gonna miss it.
Coming with
So you're just showing us
chili sauce.
chili sauce.
Okay.
Then goes salad in here.
Salad. Pickles.
What does it call on this purple color one?
This one,
Yeah.
turnip.
Turnip, yeah.
Yeah,
Pickled
turnip
turnip.
and gherkin.
Gherkin, okay.
Yeah, some little bit aubergine
Aubergine.
and a little bit fried and hash brown
Wow.
like this. And it's coming this side. It's coming with cabbage
Red cabbage,
and tabbouleh.
kabula. They're
Yeah.
like a special salad in it.
Yeah, exactly. And 8 pieces.
Now the chips.
How is it?
Like a falafel box.
Falafel box.
Falafel box salad.
Coming with hummus, chili, all salad and falafel.
And how much do you sell for that one?
This one,
Yeah.
£5.
£5 the box. Box
Yeah.
is £5, guys. So if you visit this stool, it's located on like Lowe Masha market. If you ask anyone, it's called Lambat, the area Mash market.
You wanna eat?